Hi friends, today we're going to learn how to make a basic loop tree. Our yarn loop trees are relatively small, so we don't use a styrofoam form or anything. We just make a cone out of cardstock and tape down all the seams. To begin, put a short but thick line of hot glue along the bottom of your cone. We like to do this in small sections so we get a firm hold on the base layer of our project. As you work your way around, make sure your loops are pointing away from the cone and are not twisted or getting stuck in the hot glue. Continue gluing the loop yarn in small sections around the base until you have completed the entire bottom layer. After you have your base layer firmly in place, you will begin winding your way up the cone. We glue down our yarn every half turn on the main column. Be sure to only place the main line of yarn in the hot glue and not a loop, or your finished tree may have flat spots. Once you really get going on your tree, you should be able to spin the top and twist the yarn quickly up the side. Again, we are only gluing every half turn. Loop trees look great in almost every color. For this demonstration, we used Bernat loop yarn in hedge green. We also have a holiday treat holder project where we used loop yarn in cream. Loop yarn comes in plenty of solid and variegated colors, so you should definitely be able to find an option you like. Also, don't worry if your cone is in a different shape for each tree. This is what will give your grouping character. We love having trees of different sizes clustered together. Once you get to the top of the project, cut the yarn and glue the tail over the tip of the cone. With a little fluffing, you are now ready to adorn your tree. Cute options are wood stars, pom-poms, or mini ribbons. For our snowcap tree, we used a mini ornament we found at Walmart as a topper. Don't forget to sprinkle our video so your friends can get in on the DIY fun. As always, we'd love to see your version when you're done. Thanks for watching.